Hey Maverick, I was looking at your project again this evening and just thinking about your work a little bit more. And I was thinking about this problem you're having where the penguin sometimes floats weirdly, like right here. You can see how there's times where your penguin kind of hovers. I was trying to figure out today why that was happening, and I was thinking a lot about it. So I randomly kind of started looking at your project and I figured out what the problem was. So it's a really easy fix and it'll instantly solve this hover problem that sometimes happens when you jump over. And I'll try to get it to happen. So like right here, you can see how it's hovering. What I did was I went into your costumes right here. And right here, there's a little blue line, this rogue blue line here that's causing an issue. So you see how I can click on that blue line and select it. Once I do that, I hit the delete button. It deletes that little part of the costume. And now when I go and run your code, your penguin properly lands on your platforms. Sorry about that hover. So you see how now your penguin always properly lands on its platform. How's that for some help? All right. So the last thing I was going to say is to solve the falling into the water problem, you know that basically the lowest platform is about, I'm looking right here. I'm looking right at this number right here. So you can see right here, you're about negative 120 for this platform. Much below 130, you're going to be in the water. So the one thing you can do is you can make a little if, and you can say if you use your operators, and you're going to use the you're going to use. Sorry, I'm just kind of looking for this. There we go. If the y position, because y is the up and down, and if you want to know if the y position is less than negative 125. So if the y position is less than 125, let's send it right back to the start. So we don't need any of that stuff. We'll send it right back to the start. If y position is less than 125, that's going to be basically the height of the water. And you can even make that, even less than, like you can make it, 145. And like really that's going to be in the water because 145 is about that height right there. Let's make it 135 to be generous to see if it works. And I'm going to drop that in right underneath here. So press the flag. Let's see if I fall in the water now. I'm going to have to fall in the water. Oh, there we go. I don't know if I can. Let's fall in the water here. There we go. So now when you fall in the water, it sends it right back to the start if you fall off the platform. I'll fall off this one. Right back to the start I go. So you see how that works here. It's just that easy little block right there to solve things. So I hope that helps you out. There's 2 little tricks to improve your program. Take care. Have a great March break.